What's going on, guys? Antrod here, and welcome to Sound Effects Session 6! Today we have our usual 11 sounds, and we're going to do them all. I've been practicing for several weeks, so I'm excited to do these sound effects. I am super stoked. Today is not only Sound Effects Session 6, it is also the celebration of 11 subscribers! Yay! Give me that! What's wrong with you? You don't blow an air horn in a small space like this. How old are you? I don't know how old I am. Let me just poke your head. Stop poking me. Poke.
Oh, there he goes, arguing with himself again.
We're not involved in this. Hush. Fast forward till we get to the actual thing. Okay, yeah, we're back. Sorry about that. My voices are just, always out of control. The first sound that we have for today is requested by BDiaz_13, and it's a coffee grinder. That's the worst. That's... Ow!
It broke.
Next sound we have, requested by Asia, is the ocean. This was requested for the last video and had to be moved to this one. Here we go.
Is that a bird? That's supposed to be a bird?
It was. I don't know what that was.
That was like a legit fail.
Shush, please. Stop it. Both the... Next sound we have, requested by Caleb Gray Official, is a Star Wars boom. That's exactly how it sounds in the video. The next one we have, requested by Anonymous Artist.
My father.
Is a 3D printer. To those of you who love nerd art, Star Wars, etc., his Facebook area will be in the description below. Check him out. His art is incredible. So without further ado, Without further ado, I give you a 3D printer. Water power first. 3D printer. Oh, the next one we have, also requested by Caleb Gray Official, is a Star Wars ship. That's starting to sound like a race car. Okay. Next we have by Better Nate Than Never. You got it! Thank you, high pitch. Is Tornado Sirens.
Was that a tornado siren like dying before the ending?
I think so. I ran out of breath. The next one we have, requested by Adam Sterling, oh goodness, the Dolphins fan, is a whale. Water power. Dory, how many times do I have to tell you? You can't speak whale.
That was like a failed impression of the guy from Finding Nemo.
I know. I wasn't really trying to make an impression of him. It was supposed to be for whales. The next one we have, requested by Robert, is fart noises. Well, here you go, Mr. Robert. Here, fine, ready? Oh my gosh! Did you wet your pants at the end? Please stop. Don't make it any worse than it actually is.
This is just embarrassing, man.
Yeah, I know. Clearly. Thanks for being so kind. Next one we have, requested by Coach Sterling.
What?
That's 2.
What?
Is a poo character. Like I said, I have to do a poo character every session until I do all the poo characters. So today, I decided to pick Eeyore. It's not much of a tail, but I'm sort of attached to it. If it is a good morning, which I doubt. Oh all gloomy. The next one we have requested by Cool Dose Animation? Cool Dose Animation? that's what I'm reading is Goofy. Gosh. Hiya, Mickey. I'm Goofy.
Practice is needed for Goofy. Please just set the camera. I'm sorry.
The next one, and the last one we have, is a real doozy. Because it is requested by Angelina Sterling 460. I don't know what the 460 stands for. Does it stand for years? Months? Anyways, the one she asked for was Bowler Hat Guy from Meet the Robinsons.
Allow me to shed light on the subject. Prepare to be amazed. You do realize that that's not a bowler hat, right?
I know it's not a bowler hat, but hey, man, it works. And it does. It's a hat, you know. I mean, I can't have a big bowl. What should I do? Just take a bowl, put duct tape all around it?
I mean, yeah, that would work.
All right, just. Okay, guys, so that's all we have for this session. All
11 songs
have been made. Thank you guys so much for watching. Anonymous Artist. Please check him out. He's awesome. He does not have a YouTube channel, but his stuff will be below in the description, so you can go check out his artwork. Amazing work. Thank you. A huge shout out to Anthony Engel.
You mean the guy that, like, tortured us with sound effects? You're shouting him out? Why?
Because he's the last person to hit the subscribe button. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have hit 100 subscribers right then and there. So thank you, Anthony Engel, for hitting that subscribe button. The last person to be able to do it. Thank you. Just can't say enough. Thank you. What? Thank you for hitting that button. Deep voice, do you mind taking it away?
I can't do it. I want to be the one that has to make the ending. I want to
stop it. I'm punished. I'm gonna punish you in here in a minute.
You know what's really sad about all this? You're how old? And you're talking to your imaginary friends.
Hey man, you know, he actually does have a point.
Stay out of this. Stay out of this.
Oh, there we go again.
Just take it away so we can end this video. You're just deep doo-doo.
What are you gonna be? Beat your head against the wall because I'm on your head, you know.
Alright, I'll take it from here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Go below for Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, whichever one you'd like. Also, check out Anonymous Artist down below. He has some awesome artwork, like we have said. Thanks again for watching. Do you have anything else to say?
I don't think I do have anything else to say. Thank you guys, and hope your school year is going well. Everybody out.